Hey art lovers, how you doing out there today? Got a 7 1/4 inch saw blade here that I already put some black down. Gonna give it a torch, get the air bubbles out. I shook that up pretty good, so I got a lot of air bubbles in it. And I see some spots where paint didn't quite cover. I didn't put it on overly thick, just an undercoat. Paints I'm using today are all Artist Loft Flow acrylic. I got, except for one, the white is a Folk Art Winter White, and I don't know if you can, I don't know if you can see the consistency of that or not. Kind of leaves a little mound, then disappears. The paints are on the little thick side, but that's why I got a real thin undercoat. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of white into the cup. There we go with this light blue. Hit the dark blue. Then this is a mixture of another blue, but I don't know if you can see in there, it's not very good. It's more of a grayish blue. Oh, disaster. This is an island blue. It's a real light blue. You see it? Oh well. Like old Bob Ross used to say, we never make mistakes, and just have happy accidents. We'll put some little more white in here. How'd I do that? Oh. Then I went to the light blue. Dark blue. The grayish blue. The island blue, sky blue. Top that off with some white. Alright, you can see all that? Okay. Excuse me. Alright, we're going to try to attempt a tree ring pour on this. Let me see. That white just kind of sunk right to the bottom. It's a little heavier than the other stuff, but here we go. Let's give it a try. Where'd all my white go? That's looking pretty cool. Got little cups underneath holding the thing up. Always go back to center after you. That cup was a little stuck. Wait a minute, I want to see 2 cups. I have 4 of them done there. Come on, get over there. Over the edge. Don't know if I like that or not. It's pretty cool though. I mean, my rings didn't stay as really rings, but I think that's just the way I was tipping it. Alrighty. There is no silicone in this paint, so we shouldn't get cells. What's that little bump right there? Get out of there. Blues, whites, just air bubble. A lot of good to put gloves on, and the paint runs down your arm anyway. Oh, I'm liking that. Get a torch, pop the air bubbles. Whoa. I'm really liking what's happening. There's no silicone in this paint. And my mixture, my pouring medium mixture, ooh, that is really cool now, is 5% glue all, 1% Floetrol, and a half of ounce of flow improver. But I gave that thing a torch. Look at those cells that came out. They're little, but you don't want big cells on something like this. Come on, focus. See that? See all those little tiny cells in there? All that white, it's kind of popped up. That is touch it with my stupid fingers. Hit those areas I just added a little paint to. I taped the hole up and contamination. Hope my big head ain't in the way. Yeah. I think I'm going to let that sit a little bit before I pull that tape off. Because as soon as I pull that tape off, that's going to pull a bunch of that paint, this white paint right in this area, out. And I'm liking that, so I want to keep it. And I'm liking what's going on, I mean, all over the place. Not saying what this is going to be, but that would make for a cool clock. Black hands on that. Oops. Look like some fuzz. Alrighty. Like that. You see, like zoom you in a little bit. Still stay in focus type thing. Yeah, see all those? Look at that. Tighten that camera back up. Alrighty. Well, art lovers, what do you think? Leave it in the comments below what you think about this. Have any opinions or anything, just let me know. Yeah. I think it turned out pretty cool. But while you're there, go ahead and hit that red notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Check all my links in the description. And yeah. I'm going to leave it the way it is. So, until next time, get out there and paint something.